Hi Charles. Are you going to be able to fit Uncle Frank into your tight schedule?
I hope not.
Are you going to go on the record as saying that you're heterosexual?
Yes, I am.
Oh.
I love my pussy.
Yeah? Do you want to say anything to Morgana?
Shoot a hot one?
Pardon?
You shoot a hot one?
Yeah?
Hi, Morgana.
Ooh. She allowed to come and tuck you in?
Oh, yeah.
Look at you on your stilts.
Yeah.
Look at me.
Good work.
Say something profound. Say hello, Asylum.
Hello, Asylum.
What do you think of Barack Obama?
Black power.
Tops.